Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a full screen notification for the incoming call. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can see I already done a basic project setup. This is my app.js with a view and a simple text incoming call notification tutorial. Secondly, I've also created custom component custom call where there is an image, two text and two button answer and decline. So first we have to install a library React Native full screen incoming call notification. This one. Okay, you can use npm or yarn, it's up to you. Yarn add. Okay, the library is installed successfully, but there is an issue with the library. Let me run the code. You can see it failed. I will show you the workaround. Just navigate to the node module folder and inside the library React Native full screen notification incoming call, then Android source main Java, and remove this line. Set fabric enable to false. Remove this. I have opened up the project in Android Studio, so I can easily delete this file, delete this line. Incoming call activity, set fabric. Okay, it's good now. Let's rerun the app. It's taking a lot of time. Let's do the library setup. Go to your manifest file inside the app source main manifest and add these permissions in your manifest file. After that, copy both these activities and this service and paste in your manifest file. Done. Now let's rerun the app. Okay, let's move to app.js. Create a button, title, import this button from React Native. Title will be show notification. Add listener on press. Show notification handler. Create this function. Now let's go back to the library and import this library and copy this display notification function and I add this to show notification handler. This display notification function takes few parameters: the call UUID, the profile picture, a URL, the timeout, and the basic configuration for the notification channel, title, etc. Let's change this. Hello, here, here, and this calling. And let's add a profile picture. Go to the Google. Open image in a new tab. No, let's copy this and just paste it there. Go back to the app and press show notification. Check logs, reload the app and press show notification. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I have manually enabled the notification from the Android phone setting for this app. Now press the show notification and you will see the notification. Okay, the next part is we have to show a full screen when we touch this or press this, not these two buttons, just this area to open up a full screen. So I have already created the custom class component. Let's register this component in index.js. App register component, give it a name, full screen, and import this component full screen. Paste it there, save. The component is registered successfully. It's working. Now let's link the custom component with the notification. The display notification has a property called main component. Copy the name of your component from index.js and just paste it there. And now you will see when I press this, you can see the full screen notification. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and in my next video I will show you how to implement full screen notification for iOS.